Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today we are on Skyblock. Probably the most annoying game to me because instead of hitting like W to move, I hit Q a lot and drop my Raver Sack, so yeah, I don't have them. I have 8 enchantments for it though, but that's beside the point. Look at my item, it's sick. Anyways, I'm going to be this kind of like tutorial slash stuff. I'm going to be showing you how to make an Enderman grinder in Skyblock. Actually, the first thing you gotta do is you gotta hollow out an area around this big. I actually have to do one more layer, but it's not needed. You just need to have an area to put the chest. Okay, there are like no areas here, but I didn't expect there to be any, so... Alright, I got chests on me, so this is all you'll need. You'll need oak doors, ladders, 25 hoppers, and an Enderman minion. Okay, so first we have to make the chest. Second, we have to place all the hoppers going to either the hoppers, but mainly we just want them going into the chest. I'm so bad. As long as they all connect, doesn't matter. As long as they all connect, it is good. So you'll need about exactly 25. Yeah. So, okay, that's good for now. But one second. Actually, I'll be honest. The AFK pool, are you kidding me? Oh no, just destroyed part of my AFK pool, no! Okay, so you just want an area like this. Oh my! You'd want an area like that where you can go to the chests and loot the minion and stuff like that without having to have the Enderman attack you. Now, I actually before 3 months ago, I didn't know this about Endermen, but if they are in a 2-block deep hole, they cannot teleport, which is why, yeah, I did that. So now, never mind. Okay. No. Subscribe to my garbage YouTube channel. And, oh my god. So I'm probably going to make more tutorial mob grinder videos. Maybe that one. Tell me if you want me to do any more, like, grinder videos, mob grinder videos. I mean, I know I did, like, a creeper one. That was a little while ago, and it's by far my best video. Okay, so let's make a little, like, platform here. I have no blocks, except a bit of this. This does involve a bit of mining. You just need an area to make. You don't have to do it on like this island, but I recommend you do it on some type of area that has like lots of space below it. Because I mean, if we look at Tuna Land, that's what it's called, but it's really just my giant mob grinder with creepers and chickens and pigs. Okay, If you think about that, hold 1 second. So we just do that. Bang, bang. Okay. Let's just make it so we can't fall into the void, because that always sucks. And okay, I'm scared I'm gonna run out. Staircase pretty much completes. There is also gonna have to be an area for sort of like the minions and stuff, but okay. So now let's just put a door here because I have to go in my inventory, and let's get out. So that's the first bit. So this part and that part is the first bit. Now we're gonna have to find and make a way to the minion, which actually, you know what, it can just be here. But we don't want any Enderman escaping. So for now, this is good. This is actually really good. I have exactly 1 block. You can place it right here. And start. Since water kills Enderman, which is a really great property for it, it'll be a good grinder. I could make it suffocation, but okay. So the main part of this operation is the Enderman minion. So as soon as I break this block, no, just let me place the Enderman minion. This is gonna be really annoying. And now let's see if the grinder works. I mean, we can, like, yeah, I got the idea for this. I do need a better bow than mine right now. And I have no. I can hear him dying. Oh, it works. And see, they can't TP. I have so many mob grinders. So I guess I could show you one of my mob grinders. I can't really make a tutorial because it's not much said. Okay, so this is a ghast one. This is a ghast grinder. Yeah. But I'm thinking more auto grinders more than, you know, the traditional kill grinders. If we're thinking about those, then those ones are mainly for blazes and for blazes and skellies, but we don't talk about that. Now blaze, you can do the same thing, just do it like way closer, because I mean, like, I had to dig mine out like 5 blocks deep, and that was very annoying. So if we can just, for blaze, I don't have a blaze grinder because I don't need it. This is my ghast grinder. So what you want to do is make it so, like, I'll come in here. I don't like being in here. It's really scary. Because I think a ghast will shoot a fireball at me. And then I'm going to blow up my grinder, and that would suck. But seriously, so you want this guy to spawn the ghast minion to spawn in ghasts, which are huge, and they'll suffocate in this grinder. Let's just get out of here. You know what? Smack it. Smack, 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 smack. Go. That's how you kill a ghast. You smack it. That's ghast grinder, and of course you do need chests. Oh my god! I've been online so much. Dang! And now the third and final grinder is the easiest. Actually, it's the hardest one to make, but it's the most simple. Because, I mean, like, you gotta do some type of damage to the mob. Do not pay attention to this. I was working on something. The creeper grinder going on this side. And then the harmless mobs with chicken and pig minion. Or no. The chicken minion is my favorite. I'm trying to upgrade the feather collection a lot. Just go down here where I put the chests. Yeah. In fact, Tuna made me this grinder, which is very sad for me. Dang, these chests are almost full. That's literally tons of loot. I mean, it's a lot of pig, but actually it's more chicken than pig. I don't care. But there is one thing I would like to address. I don't want to do this because, like, I don't think I can. There are these new things called null heads. Let me show you one on my I don't think anyone's bidding for it. I'm trying to get money off of them. They suck. They go for like 20k, but you need minions for them. Has nobody? So yeah, nobody's been buying that stuff. Damn, really looking forward to do that. Wait. Oh my. That's where my redstone went. Are you kidding me? That's where my redstone went? Anyways, that is it for today's video.